What is a sealed compressor? A sealed compressor, or hermetic compressor, is a core component in refrigeration and air conditioning systems. This type of compressor integrates the motor and compressor within a single, welded steel housing. This enclosed design offers several key advantages. Enhanced reliability. The sealed housing protects the internal components from external contaminants and environmental factors, such as dust, moisture, and vibrations. This significantly improves the compressor's reliability and lifespan. Efficient power transfer. The motor and compressor are directly coupled on a common shaft. This direct connection minimizes energy loss during power transmission, resulting in higher efficiency. Optimal operating temperatures. The motor is situated within the refrigeration circuit itself. This internal placement helps maintain optimal operating temperatures for the motor, further enhancing efficiency. Reduced leak risk. The hermetic design eliminates the need for external seals, significantly reducing the risk of refrigerant leaks. This not only improves environmental sustainability but also enhances the overall performance and efficiency of the refrigeration system. Applications of sealed compressors. Sealed compressors are widely used across various applications, including residential refrigerators, commercial refrigeration units, e.g., in supermarkets, restaurants, air conditioning systems, both residential and commercial. Conclusion. Sealed compressors are crucial for modern refrigeration technology. Their design and operational characteristics offer a combination of efficiency, reliability, and environmental friendliness. Understanding their key features is essential for selecting the appropriate compressor for specific cooling needs.